As an applied linguist, broadly speaking, my research interests cover the social and cultural aspects of language use and second language learning. I seek to answer questions like how the multiplicities of identities, such as racial, gender, ethnic, etc., impact the language learning experiences, how the ideologies towards different languages involved in the multilingual community influence the individual, institutional, and societal expectations of language use, therefore make an impact on the learning and access of an additional language for students in certain contexts. So I started my journey as a researcher with the training in second language acquisition, linguistic anthropology, and social linguistics. Very naturally, because of my long-term working and teaching experience with transnational individuals and study abroad students, I became very interested in this highly multilingual and multicultural community. So my past and recent work focuses on these multilingual study abroad students, both in long-term and short-term programs, and both in language-intensive and non-language focused programs, such as English talk programs in non-Anglophone countries like China. For example, for short-term programs, we collected self-recorded conversational data and examined how multiracial Chinese American women made sense of their ethno-racial identities using Chinese as a second language during their time abroad. My ethnographic fieldwork data also gave me opportunities to look at a more long-term transnational individuals' experiences. For instance, from a language ideological perspectives, I looked at how views towards different languages held by students and companies guided the life trajectories for heritage speakers in workplace. So I've also collected a lot of data related to minority students in this community. I'm currently working on case studies focusing on students with minoritized backgrounds and with an aim to provide a holistic understanding of these underrepresented groups' experience of language use and language learning. In addition to the study abroad context, another line of my research deals with the learning of a third language by multilingual students. I'm interested in the questions of how learning a third language may be different from learning a second language in terms of sociolinguistic awareness and syntactic features. Due to the limitations of collecting data in person nowadays, and also a lot of interesting linguistic phenomena happening on the digitalized world, I'm also working collaboratively with colleagues at the university to look at sociolinguistic analysis of anti-Asian and Asian American hate speech on Twitter, using a large-scale multilingual corpus with over 16 million tweets. I'm very grateful being part of MIC and contribute to a better and deeper understanding of multilingual and intercultural communication.